Water jet stone cutting technology with high pressure can cut stones of various types and create intricate patterns of any complexity. A next-generation milling machine with artificial intelligence can perform tasks of any complexity and can turn a piece of metal into a trophy shaped like a hockey skate to award a hockey team. "3D printers are no longer limited to printing houses or apartments. Now, entire castles are printed with maximum detail. The interesting process of manufacturing ammunition cartridges in factories, occurring without human involvement. The fully automated assembly line produces cartridges that resemble more like golden ornaments than ammunition. Laser engraving is increasingly used for marking various products, practically replacing etching as it is more energy efficient and resistant to environmental conditions. Vinyl records are crafted by hand in small workshops for music enthusiasts who appreciate high-quality sound, as vinyl records are considered to produce the best sound. Quality leather footwear will always be in demand, and specialists in their production are well compensated. Workers labor in a workshop producing ceramic mugs for your kitchen. Each mug is individually cast and then fired at a temperature of 700 degrees. Depending on the size, a crushing machine can grind not only small debris, but even a motorcycle or a passenger car. Your portrait on ordinary paper won't surprise anyone, but if it's depicted on a maple sheet, it's a different story. The production process of razor blades usually involves several stages, starting from raw material preparation and ending with the packaging of the finished products. Nowadays, the milling process is used in the production of microchips. Cleaning any surface from paint or dirt is no trouble with this yard-use washing machine. An industrial egg breaking and yolk separating machine can process up to 500 eggs per hour. A compact paver for courtyard tiles replaces the work of up to 10 people. The tiles are laid according to pre-made marks and guidelines, usually following a specific pattern or design. Everyone has heard of watering trucks, but not many know about watering motorcycles, even though they are just as effective in their tasks. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.